करने से समझे ना ये पगला है. So hi dear Aquarius, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Taro. I was just singing a Hindi song. I love that song. I don't know why, but yeah. So this is a general reading for all the Aquarius singles out there. Sun, Moon, Venus rising, and this is a reading till the end of June. And please keep in mind that energy or roles can be reversed anytime, and this might or might not resonate with you. Okay, this is now completely your free will if you want to take any kind of decision, but I'm not responsible for any kind of decision. These readings are just journal, and I just want to check in the energy for all of you guys. Okay. And the second thing I want to quickly tell you is that I just started my Hindi vlog channel, Anjali Ke Vlogs, and it's going to be in Hindi. And I want to share. I will share my life with you, my journey with you, my acting journey with you, and I'll keep on sharing my projects and my works and everything that I will be going through. Might be a shitty situation, might be a good situation. Okay, let's start your reading, Aquarius. Faryal, I'm waiting for you to comment on my channel. Love you, girl. See you. So let's see, Aquarius. Your past energy regarding your love life was Aquarius. Shuffling is very important here. Four of Swords. I feel like you were going through a situation in the past where you were deeply hurt and you were trying to come out of the situation. You were trying to heal from that situation. This is the Four of Swords energy. You were not taking any kind of action. You were like feeling like, okay, whatever is going to happen, the universe will handle this. Now I just want to heal. I want to just, take a break, and I just want to heal from this situation, from trauma, from this bullshit that's going on again and again in my life regarding your love life. And from the word past energy, I feel like it's not like the 10-year ago thing. It's like the past energy of 2 to 3 months, or maximum you can say 4 months, but recent past is like 1 month ago only, or 2 months ago only. Okay, so let's clarify the Four of Swords in your past energy. The Emperor could be dealing with an Aries, Six of Wands, and the Seven of Wands. Okay, so I feel like in the past you took some kind of decision. You were very loyal to this particular person. You were not going anywhere else. You were feeling like, I'm going to stay with this person. I'm going to stick with this person. I have taken a decision that this person is my life. This person is my victory. I feel like this person is some kind of mini celebrity in my eyes, at least. I feel like this person is truly lovable, but that didn't work out. There was something that was not working out between you guys. From seeing them to a celebrity, from seeing them as a celebrity in your life, you felt like they suddenly changed into a defensive person. They suddenly changed. Their feelings changed for you, and you felt like, what the hell what the hell did just happen? Okay, yeah. What the hell did just happen? And you were not able to believe this, that from being a mini celebrity for you, they were, like a defensive person, and they were not acting according to you. They were acting weird. They were completely detached and cold and off. Okay, this was the situation. Intense, like Hindi film dramas. Okay, let's see what's your current energy regarding your love life, Aquarius. What's your current energy regarding your love life, Aquarius? Let's see. Empress, I feel like right now you are trying to look good, feel good, working on yourself, feeling good in your own skin, caring for yourself, and might be you are writing late night poems or any kind of article, might be you're just journaling, and might be you're just, trying law of attraction thing and trying to trying to attract and manifest good things in your life. Okay, this is the situation. Let's clarify. Let's clarify. Butterfly. Okay, sorry. Wheel of Fortune, the Four of Swords again, and the Eight of Swords. Okay, so I feel like right now you are leaving everything on the universe, and you are feeling like, okay, the universe will lead me, the universe will guide me, whatever is happening, and you are just trying to heal from the situation. So I feel like there was some kind of dramatic situation in the past, and you are trying to heal from that situation in the past. Also, right now also you are just in the healing process. You are not, completely out of that trauma, out of that restrictive thing, or defensive thing, and still you are carrying lots of pain in your mind. You are still carrying lots of baggages from the past in your mind, and you are feeling like, okay, I just want to come out of the situation. Inside of you, you are dying from something. Inside of you, you are very depressed and sad, but your outer shell, your outer face, or you can say outer body, is like, yeah, I'm good, I'm okay, I'm feeling good, I'm happy, I don't need anybody else in my life, I just want to be single. This is the situation here. You are masking your feelings. You are still not able to come out of that situation, and you still need healing, still in the healing process. Okay, let's see what's what's the feelings of the past person for you, what the past person feels for you, Aquarius. Let's see what the past person feels for you, Aquarius. Ten of Pentacles. The past person feels like they should work on themselves, their money, their stability, and I feel like there's some kind of ancestral properties also involved for some of them, for some of you. Okay, and I feel like Ten of Pentacles. Might be this person wants to come back to you and have a good family life with you. I will clarify it. But from intuitively, what I'm reading is I am getting that this person right now is focused on themselves, focused on their money. Most of the times I feel like this person is just focused on the materialistic things rather than the emotional things of their life. Let's clarify. Okay, let's clarify. Oh, Three of Swords, Hanged Man, and the Sun. Could be dealing with the Leo, could be dealing with the near sign, Libra, Gemini, and Aquarius again. So I feel like this person is also completely heartbroken. I feel like this person is also completely heartbroken. They are also healing from a situation. They are feeling like, I want to unstuck myself. I just want to unstuck myself and be happy. Okay, and I just want to come out of this hurtful situation, and I want to be happy with you. So the person right now, whomsoever you are connected with Aquarius, this person is feeling like they should come out of this hurtful situation. They should unstuck themselves. They should try to see your perspective as well, your point of view as well, and they should be happy with you. This is the happiest card of the deck, the Sun. This person wants to be happy with you. This person feels like there should be happiness in this connection. There should be stability in this connection. Now I'm feeling like this person wants to put in the effort, put in the energy from their side as well, and this person wants this connection to work out. So I feel like their feelings for you are really pure, and they feel love for you, they feel stability for you. They feel like, yes, you are somewhat a kid like, or you are carrying energy of a kid, and they really love that energy. Okay, let's see what's your energy regarding new love, or regarding new person, or if you are dating somebody new, or if you are having some kind of crush on somebody new. Let's see what's your current energy regarding a new person. Okay, Queen of Pentacles. No, I feel like you are not ready for new life, a new love in your life right now, Aquarius. You are just working on yourself. You are just trying to be stable in your life. You are trying to be mature and very, very practical in your life. You are carrying motherly emotions, motherly feelings. This is the situation for yourself. Okay, right now you are just healing. Okay, healing, healing, healing. That's all you are doing right now. Okay, you are just trying to manifest good things in your life, and right now also you are not ready for new love or new crush or somebody new in your life, because you are feeling like, I should just focus on myself, focus on my money, focus on my looks, focus on my health, and be practical and mature. Then only I will try somebody new, or maybe you will go back to the particular person from the past. Page of Swords, spying on. Okay, I feel like, yeah, I feel like although you are feeling like, I should be stable, I should be happy in myself, and I should just focus on myself right now, there's something that's making you really, really ache. Just give me a second. I'm losing word actually. So right now I feel like you are spying on the other person. You're spying on the other person. You're watching them. You're trying to, see every move of theirs, and you're feeling like, okay, I will see what they are doing. I will just, watch from the behind, or watch from behind the scenes, or watch from distance, because you still feel like there is hell lot of conflict between you guys. There is hell lot of conflicts going on between you guys. This is the ongoing conflicts right now. Also you guys are fighting with each other, if not physically, energetically at least. If you guys are not on talking terms, or you guys are not talking to each other, I feel like energetically you guys are conflicted with each other right now. That's why you're feeling like, okay, I just want to temper. I just want to temperance card. I just want to balance my emotions. I just want to balance my water. I want to be mature, I want to be practical. I don't want to be all emotional and lose myself in this quest of getting love from anybody. So this is the situation here. Still you are very conflicted, and still you are trying to come out of the situation and heal yourself and work on yourself, focus on yourself. Still very much connected to the past energy. You're stuck, Aquarius. Let's see what is coming towards you till the end of June. Aquarius, let's see what's coming towards you till the end of June. Let's see what's coming towards you till the end of June. Okay. Ace of Swords, a brand new beginning is coming towards you till the end of June. This is what is coming towards you. I feel like you are going to cut out all the toxicity, all the negativity, all the negative people from your life, all the shitty things from your life, and you are feeling like, okay, enough is enough now. I want to start my life all over again, and I'm not allowing any kind of negativity, any kind of negative people in my life. I just want a brand new life, successful life, victorious life. This is what is coming towards you till the end of June. Success, victory, brand new life, brand new start of a life. Let's clarify whether it's with somebody or you are going alone. Empress, the Hermit, Page of Wands. Okay, I feel like you are going alone, Aquarius, and you are going to start your life all over again on your own terms, on your own rules and regulations, because you don't have to show anybody now. Till the end of June, you are going to realize that yes, I am the empress of my own world. I am the emperor of my own world. I want to look good. I want to feel good. I want to start my life. And to hell with the past person, to hell with the negativity that they are carrying. I just want to start my life all over again. You are going within, you are seeking some kind of spiritual help. Might be you are meditating, might be you are doing some kind of meditative work or spiritual work, and you're just trying to look into yourself. You're trying to seek answers from within, and your soul is telling you that start your life all over again. Start your life with passion. Okay, so I feel like currently, right now, you are trying to mask your feelings, trying to hide your feelings, trying to be look good. You are just trying it. But by the end of June, everything is going to be going to happen effortlessly, just like that, because you are manifesting this. You are manifesting a good life for yourself. And trust me, whenever you are manifesting something, Aquarius, anybody, the universe will give you the best thing. Okay, if that's not working out for you, if you are manifesting for example a boyfriend or a girlfriend or a specific person in your life, and the universe is removing them from your life, that's the sign that that's not for you. You just have to trust the universe in everything. Okay, that's how it works. The universe will give you a person which is good for you, which you deserve. Okay, which you feel like from inside, because the universe knows better than us. Okay, so thank you so much, Aquarius, for tuning in. I hope this reading will give you some kind of insight regarding your love life, regarding your life, and I hope this will deeply help you. I don't know why I said that, just like, thank you, God bless you, namaste.